Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to restore a previous session on Firefox. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and download Firefox from any other browser because it does not come with Windows. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top side of the screen, we have the search bar, and in the middle also. You can go and add shortcuts by clicking on this button here. And here in the top also we have the plus where you can go and add your tabs. In the top right corner we have the three horizontal lines where you can go and check out settings and a lot of different settings. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and restore previous sessions on Firefox. So click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, then click on settings, and in the left sidebar click on general. So as you can see we have it here, the first one. Then under startup here, as you can see, so click on restore previous session. Then manually restoring session is by going and clicking on, of course, clicking on the library button or the three horizontal lines in top right corner, select library. And here you have, as you can see, your history where you can go and click on. And here you can go and restore your previous session, as you can see. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.